put it right there, made it easy for you to get to. Now you wanna act like you don't know what to do. After I done everything that you asked me, grabbed you, grabbed you, liked you, tried you.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today I am filming my eyebrow tutorial video. So this video is long overdue, but today I'm gonna film that for you guys. Like, y'all see how I get my eyebrows to stay on fleek all day, so nice, so crisp, and so sharp. Stay tuned for this video, girl, because you won't miss a thing. All right, so let's get straight into the video. So usually I just brush my brow hairs up like so. This is just to make sure that everything is well combed out. Everything looks nice and sleek. Now I'm going to take my Kat Von D Lock-It powder in the color Translucent. I usually do this. I usually use this powder for my eyebrows and to set like concealer on my eyes. I do not use this for like to set my actual under eye concealer because, as y'all can see, I'm brown and like this is way too light for me. So I just want to make that disclaimer before anybody get in the comments and be like, girl, why are you using that light powder? I'm using it strictly for my eyes. Strictly for my eyes, that's it. Alright, so dust that off. And then you just want to put like a little bit. And this is just to ensure that your eyebrows are set, they stay in place, they don't move around. And yeah. All right, next I like to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Dark Brown. I'm gonna just let y'all know right now, this stuff is the truth, okay? This stuff is, this stuff has my eyebrows on a whole nother level. So make sure y'all go and pick this up, like, cause this is the bomb. And then what I like to do is make sure that I like dust some product off, because as you can tell, this stuff is really dark, so you want to get as much product off as you can before you actually go in and apply it. Otherwise your eyebrows gonna be this color.
I like you, fuck she gonna do.
And we don't want that, sis. We don't want that. So I like to take this and outline my actually eyebrow. Okay guys, just a little disclaimer. I was looking away from the camera only because I wanted to look inside of my mirrors. Alright, so now that we have like the actual shape, now we're gonna go in with filling in my actual brow. So I'm gonna take just a little bit more of that gel, and I'm gonna fill them in. Can see I never go in at the front part right here. I always leave space for that. Reason being is that I want more of a natural look. Like, I like my tail to be darker, the rest of my eyebrows, I like for it to like fade, like a faded type of look. And it just doesn't look natural if you put like a lot of product up here, so I leave that out. And then I just take my spoolie and just glide across. Alright, so now it is time for some concealer, girl, because yeah. Alright, so for concealer today, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 12. right, so now that you have this, now what I like to do is I like to take the concealer and kind of blend it downward. And I like to do this because it helps with blending. It helps with blending. So if you struggle with blending, use this tip because it'll help you. Creep, yeah, cause he don't know what I do and nobody else supposed to know. Okay, so this.
What you doing, bro?
Alright, so you just want to next take your blending brush and just blend. Blend.
I feel like your life depend on it, cause it do. It really do.
So this is how my eyebrow turned out. And yeah, so you should have something like that. I don't know why I keep doing it like my head like that, but you should have something like that. Okay, next we're going to talk about setting. So I like to use my holy grail, my day one, like my bae, my partner in crime, the freaking duo lash glue to set my eyebrows. Yes, you heard that right. I like to use this, and the reason being, I actually seen a makeup artist do this hack, and when I tell you it changed my life, it changed my life. And I'm trying to change y'all's. I'm trying to change y'all life. So you only have to use the green one though. Like I repeat,
Only use the green one. Don't use the pink one. Don't use the blue one. Don't use the orange one. None of that. Use the green one.
and this is your brow. I'm gonna move on and go ahead and do my other brow, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification so you get you get notified every time I post a video. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to this week's video. See you in the next one. Bye.